Hello everyone, and welcome to another fascinating journey into the world of nature. Today, we're delving into 10 stunning yet deadly insects that inhabit our planet. Beware, these creatures will leave you in a world of pain if you aren't careful with them. Our first contender is none other than the iconic African giant swallowtail butterfly. Found in the tropical rainforests of Central Africa, this beautiful creature is the largest butterfly species in the world and the most toxic. The toxin in a male giant swallowtail can poison 20 cats. Researchers speculate that the butterfly most likely gets its toxin when its caterpillar ingests the leaves of the climbing oleander plant. Next up, we have the infamous puss caterpillar, who derived its name from its cat-like fur. If you're tempted to give this Southern American native a pat, it'd be a deadly mistake. The caterpillar's fur are venomous spines that, when touched, can cause excruciating pain and blisters. Symptoms are varied among individuals and could last anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days. Luckily, the caterpillar loses its deadly spines when it morphs into its harmless, fuzzy adult form, which is the southern flannel moth. Now, let's turn our attention to the Orchid Mantis, a master of disguise hailing from the forests of Southeast Asia. With its delicate pink and white coloration, this deadly predator blends seamlessly into its floral surroundings, waiting patiently to ambush unsuspecting prey. Flying insects such as butterflies and moths are its main source of food, but it will also eat jungle fruits. Due to their attractive appearance, many people keep Orchid Mantis as pets. Moving on to the stealthy assassin bug. With its sleek body and long, curved proboscis, it's a silent but deadly hunter. Also known as kissing bugs, these critters get their names from their habit of biting humans on the face near the lips while they sleep. The bug uses its straw-like mouth parts to inject toxins into the prey, wait for the body content to liquefy, and then suck them out. Their bite can transmit Chagas disease to humans, which can cause damage to major organs, leading to heart failure and even death. Next on the list is the jewel wasp, a creature of beauty, cunning, and manipulation. Known as the cockroach wasp, it preys on cockroaches by injecting them with a mind-controlling venom, turning them into obedient zombies to serve as living food for its larvae. The wasp lays an egg into the roach's body. The hatched larva will then consume its host from inside out, cocooned, and eventually burst free as an adult wasp. Scientists are researching on the wasp's mind-controlling venom in the hope of finding a cure for Parkinson's disease. Native to East Asia, the Asian giant hornets are also known as murder hornets for good reasons. As the world's largest hornet species, they prey on honeybees by decapitating them. Each hornet can kill one bee every 14 seconds. Interestingly, Japanese honeybees ward off these hornets by swarming them in tight balls and literally heating them to death. While the Asian giant hornets seldom attack humans unless provoked, their stings deliver a potent neurotoxin nearly 7 times the amount of venom that a honeybee delivers. Unlike bees, however, the hornets can sting repeatedly. About 50 people died in Japan every year due to hornet stings, mostly because of allergic reaction. Next up is the formidable Tarantula Hawk. As one of the largest wasps in the world, they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Like the jewel wasps, they paralyzed the spider with their sting, dragged it back to their burrow, and lay a single egg into their hapless victims. Once the larvae hatched, the immobilized spider served as ready food for the wasp's young. Despite the intimidating name and terrifying appearance, these wasps are nectarivores. They enjoy feeding from flowers and rotting fruit. They only sting when provoked, and only female wasps have stingers. Found in South America and parts of Central America, the Brazilian wandering spider is also known as the banana spider since it can be occasionally found in shipments of bananas to other countries. These spiders are nocturnal hunters with a leg span of up to 7 inches. The Guinness Book of World Records routinely names this spider as the world's most venomous. Their potent neurotoxin causes paralysis and respiratory problems in human victims. Massive inflammation and severe pain follow immediately after the bite has injected the venom. Victims normally die from suffocation. Native to many parts of America, blister beetles belong to a group of insects with varying body shapes, size, and colors. They get their name from a chemical they produce called cantharidin. When crushed, the beetle will release the chemical, and skin contact with it can result in blisters. Though toxic, cantharidin is sometimes used for wart removal. It was also regarded as an aphrodisiac in the 1800s. Beware though, ingesting a blister beetle could lead to death. Last but not least, we have the bullet ants. While they won't win any beauty awards for their appearance, these ants are one of the largest ant species and are known for having the most painful sting in the world. The sting can last for 24 hours, and symptoms include fever, nausea, trembling, and cardiac arrhythmia. While most people will avoid these forest scavengers as much as possible, the indigenous Ma tribe of Brazil uses these ants in an initiation ceremony. They'd sedate the ants and weaved them into gloves. Boys as young as 12 years old would wear these gloves for 10 minutes, enduring the painful stings. They have to perform this ritual 20 times before they can become a tribal warrior. This is definitely not for those faint of heart. From vibrant butterflies to stealthy predators, that's all we have this week on the 10 pretty yet deadly insects. These creatures are proof that even those smallest in size can punch above its weight when you least expect it. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.